The GRAPHO rail by Artens adds a timeless, modern touch to your interior. Before starting, grab your toolbox and check you have everything you need. Check that the wall and floor are level. Measure your opening and refer to the manual. Choose a compatible door. It must close fully, weigh up to 50 kilograms, be no wider than 93 centimeters, and between 25 and 45 millimeters thick. The diagram shows the extra aid to add to your door. Here it's 4.1 centimeters. Mark this 8 above your opening. Then, mark the offset L for the first fixing point as shown in the manual. Drill and insert wall plug. Insert the screw, leaving about 1 cm between the screw head and the wall. Now, let's prepare the rail. Insert the first stopper block between the first and second fixing holes and tighten it. Do the same on the other side. Take the fixing brackets and check their direction. Align them with the rail holes. Insert the screws and fix each bracket to the rail. Slide the first bracket between the screw head and the wall. Tighten it with a wrench. Use a level to align the rail. Mark the last fixing point, drill and insert a plug. Fix it in place, then mark the others. Finally, remove the rail, drill the remaining points, insert plugs, and reinstall it with all fixings. Now, let's prepare the door. Fix the door brackets into the existing hole or follow the manual. Tighten 3 screws for each bracket and leave one hole empty. For the last hole, take the anti-lift piece and screw it in loosely. the door on the rail. Turn the interlift piece so it rests completely under the rail, then tighten it fully. Now, install the floor guide. Check the vertical alignment and place the guide in the recommended position. Mark the holes, drill, insert plugs, and screw it down. If you have underfloor heating, glue it instead. Slide the door into the guide and close it. Put the door in the closed position. Move the stopper so the door stops here, and then tighten it. Repeat for the open position. Finally, test your door.